Welcome back to Crucial Minds. In this video, you'll learn all 4 types of future tense in the easiest way with simple examples. Watch till the end and master English grammar quickly. Let's begin. There are 4 types of future tense. They are as follows. First is the simple future tense. It talks about an action that will happen in the future. Example, I will watch movies. Second is the future continuous tense. It describes an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Example, I will be watching a movie. Third is the future perfect tense. It talks about an action that will be completed before a certain future time. Example, I will have already watched the movie. And finally, the future perfect continuous tense. It describes an action that will continue up to a time in the future. Example, I will have been watching movies for 2 hours. First, let's see the simple future tense. Question number 1, she dash tomorrow. She will go tomorrow. Question number 2, we dash the match next week. We will watch the match next week. Question number 3, I dash you later. I will call you later. Question number 4, they dash the project soon. They will finish the project soon. Question number 5, he dash a new laptop next month. He will buy a new laptop next month. Next, let's move on to the future continuous tense. Question number 1, I dash at 8 p.m. I will be studying at 8 p.m. Question number 2, she dash dinner tonight. She will be cooking dinner tonight. Question number 3, they dash cricket tomorrow evening. They will be playing cricket tomorrow evening. Question number 4, we dash during the journey. We will be sleeping during the journey. Question number 5, he dash for the exam all night. He will be preparing for the exam all night. Now, let's understand the future perfect tense. Question number 1, I dash the work before noon. I will have finished the work before noon. Question number 2, she dash home by 7 p.m. She will have reached home by 7 p.m. Question number 3, they dash the movie before you arrive. They will have watched the movie before you arrive. Question number 4, we dash the test by Monday. We will have completed the test by Monday. Question number 5, he dash all the books by next year. He will have read all the books by next year. Finally, let's learn the future perfect continuous tense. Question number 1. I dash for 2 hours by 6 p.m. I will have been studying for 2 hours by 6 p.m. Question number 2. She dash here since morning. She will have been working here since morning. Question number 3. They dash cricket for 3 hours by sunset. They will have been playing cricket for 3 hours by sunset. Question number 4. We dash for the exam all week. We will have been preparing for the exam all week. Question number 5. He dash the car since afternoon. He will have been driving the car since afternoon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.